So nayo i-medium angithi i-medium kufana njengokuthi le pulse le which is a form of energy ukuze ikwazi ukuhamba iye kwenye indawo idinga into enjengomgwaqo ezohamba phezulu kwayo or into ezoyenza ukuthi ibhukude or ihambe or ngeke izikwazi ukuhamba kungekho lutho lonto lezo bihamba kuyona regardless ukuthi i-solid i-liquid or i-gas iyona ezokwenzani so it will make the pulse travel, which means i-pulse ayikwazi ukutravelisha without i-medium yabo. So remember ke leyo pulse leyo sitheni i-single disturbance in a medium angithi leyo medium it can either be a solid, a liquid or a gas. Iyenzani i-medium? It makes the pulse travel, inikeza umgaqo. But ke le pulse le which is a type of energy mayidlula ile medium iyaphazamisa njengoba ubona kuthiwa i-disturbance le iyaphazamisa i-arrangement or i-positioning yani yama-particles ayo leyo medium. Remember ama-particles awafani for ama-solids, liquids and gases angithi ama-solids ama-particles asondelene kakhulu. Uma esondelene kakhulu kuqonda ukuthi asikho ispace esiningi sokuthi lama-particles anyakaze and then siye kwi-liquid. Nakhona ispace sithe ukuba ningana kune-solid but hayi ngaloyo ndlela uyabona. And then kwi-gas ama-particles aqaqene ngale ndlela which makes ama-particles kube nzima ukuthi athintane wona ehodwa. Okay, so which means naso-ke i-speed sayo leyo pulse or leyo wave ehamba kwi-medium ethize siya-affecteka ngokuya ngokuthi i-medium iyi-solid, i-liquid or i-gas uyabona. Okay fine, so manje sizochaza ukuthi le pulse le uma esihamba kwi-medium indlela e-affecta ngayo ama-particles kuzogcina sesiyibiza nge-pulse enjani. Asambe siyibheka. Alright, so ngithe kuwena i-pulse mayedlula kwi-medium ihamba kwi-medium kunento eyenzayo iyawa-disturb ama-particles iwenza anyakaze ama-particles aleyo medium. Mfana nje ukuthi kune-wave of energy edlulayo kuwona lama-particles. The time idlula iyawa-affect ayanyakaza because now they gain energy momentarily. Okusho ukuthi for isikhashana they gain energy which means now they can move about yabo. Okay, so uma sithi transverse pulse i-pulse enjani leyo i-pulse whereby yona le pulse mayiqhamuka kwi-medium ama-particles ayo i-medium ayanyakaza but they move perpendicular to the direction la i-wave eya ngakhona. Okusho ukuthi ake ngithi okay, so la asithi nje la nayi le pulse le i-direction yale pulse le iya ngala yabo, iya ngala i-pulse. So i-direction ye-pulse nansi iya ngala to the right e-horizontal. Ama-particles atholakalayo mhlasimba ama-particles yona le medium le maningi ama-particles khona angathintekile khona azothinteka konke nje lokho but uma ethinteka they will move up and down uyabo. Okusho ukuthi i-direction yani ye-pulse iya ngala yabo, direction ye-pulse there but i-direction yani yama-particles of the medium iya vertical. Okusho ukuthi i-direction of ama-particles of i-medium le i-pulse injani i-perpendicular or at 90 degrees at right angles yabo. Iyona ile i-transverse pulse. So i-transverse pulse uma siyichaza sothi it is a pulse where the particles of the medium move perpendicularly to the direction in which the pulse is moving. Okay, so bangayichaza ngenye indlela bathi there is a pulse where the particles of the medium move perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the pulse. Yabo? Ngenye indlela onganisho ngayo, but baqonda ukuthi i-direction pulse ne-direction of the particles of the medium, they move perpendicular. Okay, so ake siye kuyona-ke le-amplitude le-amplitude esikhuluma ngayo. So i-amplitude mhlasimbe wake walizwa lelo gama before and it didn't make